Welcome back to the Charged Up Podcast. Today, we're diving into something that touches all of us, the intersection of technology and our daily lives. As we explore the latest updates in Tesla's software, it's fascinating to see how automatic emergency braking and forward collision warning, FCW improvements, are making their way into MCU-1 vehicles. This isn't just about cars, it's about how technology is evolving to enhance safety on the roads. The fact that these upgrades are being rolled out, even to older models, showcases Tesla's commitment to innovation and user safety. Imagine a world where your vehicle can predict and react to potential hazards faster than you can. We're on the brink of that reality. Furthermore, let's ponder the implications of data privacy. With scripts running in the background, like the Google Tag Manager and Clarity MS, how much are we giving up in exchange for convenience? It's crucial to navigate this digital landscape with awareness. So, buckle up as we navigate through the electrifying world of Tesla and technology. This podcast was co-produced by Daniel Aharonoff and Mogul Media AI.